Now joins us. Olive, good morning. Big day, isn't it? We're expecting, I think maybe in an hour or so, the judges to start delivering the judgment. Please, give us a breakdown of what's happening where you are right now.
Good morning, Smart. We're coming to you live from the Supreme Court of Kenya. In about, I'm looking at my clock, about an hour's time, we should see the 7 Supreme Court judges walk right past us and head into the tent behind me in order to deliver their judgment on the legality of the BBI process and the constitutionality of the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill as proposed that's the question. Was it President Uhuru Kenyatta who initiated it? But they did initiate the process towards the BBI by way of the handshake, him and Azimio leader Raila Odinga. Now, security has been heightened around the Supreme Court, as I'm sure you can see, two right behind me actually. And we've seen several judges already arrive, but I'm yet to see the advocates or the petitioners, appellants ahead of the rendering of that judgment. Now, several issues, as I'm sure you've canvassed this morning, have been we await judgment on those particular issues, particularly the issue of basic structure. Does the Constitution possess a basic structure, meaning that in order to amend those provisions of the Constitution, you'd require to carry out civic education, public participation, have the matter debated in the County Assembly, and culminating in a referendum. Now, the referendum that was envisioned as far as the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill is concerned was halted by the High Court and then by the Court of Appeal last year in August. Now, the Supreme Court in January for 3 days held hearings listening to the arguments for and against the BBI. And apart from the issue of a basic structure, some of what came up was the issue of 70 constituencies being predetermined in the document Schedule 2, if I'm not mistaken. That may have been overtaken by events. There was also the question of the creation of the office or recreation of the office of Prime Minister. That may also have been overtaken by events as far as the August general election is concerned. But what else is on the table that could impact the nation moving forward past and beyond the August general election are other issues like, can the president be held accountable, legally culpable, I should say, by way of civil court proceedings for contravening the Constitution of Kenya. Now, the High Court found that he had contravened Chapter 6 of the Constitution. The Court of Appeal overturned that. We wait to see what the Supreme Court will have to say on the matter. So several issues on the table this morning. As soon as things get underway, the media will be bringing you those events. By the way, all the national broadcasters are represented here, and those pictures will be coming to you live from the Supreme Court of Kenya. Back to you, Smart.